Longchen Nyingtik Meditation. Part 1. Freedoms and Advantages. Meditation 1. Reflecting on the nature of freedom. Please read the Kampo's instruction first. Refuge Prayer. Reciting in the sky, filling the whole of vastness, are the Lama, Idan deities, and the Dakinis. Buddha, Dharma, and the Sangha of sublime beings. Devotedly, sentient beings of the 6 realms, and I take refuge in you. Aspiration Prayer. The infinity of sentient beings and I have been Buddhas from the very beginning. Having realized such a fundamental nature, I generate supreme bodhicitta. Contemplate over and over again that you did not fall into the 8 unfree states. And have obtained a precious human existence. You have every reason to be joyful and must strive to practice the Dharma. If you were born in the hell realm, you would suffer perpetually in hot and cold hells. So you would have no opportunity to practice the Dharma whatsoever. If you were born a hungry ghost, you would always suffer from hunger and thirst. So you would have no opportunity to practice the Dharma. If you were born in the animal realm, you would be subject to predation, enslavement, and slaughtering. So you would have no opportunity to practice the Dharma. If you were born as a alone living God, you would be trapped in a state of mental blankness for kalpas. And at death, give rise to erroneous views and fall into low realms. So you would have no opportunity to practice the Dharma. If you were born in a borderland where the Buddha's teachings were not available, you would not know what listening, contemplating, and meditating entails. So you would have no opportunity to practice the Dharma. If you were born among Tirthikas, your mind would be entangled in wrong views. So you would have no opportunity to practice the Dharma. If you were born in a dark kalpa when no Buddhas were born, you would not even hear the name of the three Jews. So you would have no opportunity to practice the Dharma. If you were born mute or mentally deficient, you would lack the mental capacity to receive the Dharma. So you would have no opportunity to practice the Dharma. Although many circumstances can obstruct spiritual pursuit, they are broadly included in these 8 kinds of rebirth. Therefore, resolve. Luckily, in this life, I was not born in any of them. Otherwise, the door of Dharma will be forever shut to me. Being free from unfavorable rebirths and having the opportunity to practice the Dharma is called endowed with freedom. Which is exactly what I enjoy now. Therefore, I must focus only on the Dharma and practice it diligently. Dedication prayer. Through this goodness, may omniscient Buddhahood be attained, and thereby may every enemy mental defilement be overcome. May beings be liberated from the ocean of samsara that is troubled by waves of birth, old age, sickness, and death.